The Enphase Enlighten Monitoring and Analysis System. At the top of the screen there is an overview of the installation. This shows a summary of the current power production, the energy produced for the day, for the month, and for the lifetime of the system. This is the level of information available with most traditional monitoring systems on the market. What's unique about Enlighten is the per-module data in this section. This section shows the solar modules as on the roof. Production information is provided for each module on a current, daily, monthly, and lifetime basis. In this scenario, the modules have each produced above 160 kilowatt hours thus far. However, this module has produced well below 100 kilowatt hours. And these three in the lower right have produced less than expected as well. Enlighten provides the analysis to understand why. A useful tool is the time-lapse feature, as shown here in the upper right of the screen. As the sun rises, the panels begin to wake up. The change in color indicates the increase in power production as the sun hits each module. As we can see, the modules in the lower right corner continue to stay dark until later in the morning. This is most likely caused by shading from surrounding trees on the property. This module, on the other hand, begins to darken and lose production earlier than the rest of the array. The reason for this is that there's a chimney on the roof in this location, which also explains why there is no module located there. There is another dimension of data available to analyze the production shortfall. We can view the time lapse over several days. This shows if the patterns occur at a regular time each day, thereby pointing to a regular shading event. As we can see, there is indeed a repeat occurrence of the same pattern. This is a different pattern than what we would see if the shading occurred suddenly due to some falling debris, for instance. But the real power of this Enphase system is that system owners do not need to perform this analysis at all. Enlighten does the work for the owner by continuously monitoring and analyzing each module and its performance. Enlighten will analyze the cause of production issues and will send the system owner or manager an alert when a condition warrants attention. With Enphase Enlighten, owners of solar energy systems now have a powerful ally to optimize their energy footprint.